Welcome to our website training on utilizing the cart to quote feature. First off, make sure you've already selected the items that you're interested in, as these should be in your cart to begin. Simply head over to your cart, click My Cart, followed by Review and Quote. This section allows you to double check your selected items, ensuring you've got everything needed before proceeding. Next, select Quote My Cart. Upon successful quote creation, you'll see a green button that reads See Your Quote. Clicking this will pull up a PDF in a new window. Here, you will see all of the quote information as well as the quote number, which you will need to use to accept the quote. If you're ready to move forward, just go ahead and click Pay Online Now. Here, you can just enter the quote number, then click Import Quote. To the right, you'll have your quote details, and once you're ready to proceed with the purchase, just add the quote to your cart and proceed as if it was a normal purchase.